What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a crew cab all the way from Denver, Colorado, in for double sunroofs. We're gonna black out the top, headliner black, plastics black. We're just black everything out so everything looks good, everything looks uniform, and go from there. Check out the truck. Crew cab, the typical tan. But yeah, we're gonna start removing everything, take the headliner out, all the plastics, trim, everything, and then we'll start getting our measurements, start cutting it out for our brackets. All right, guys, it'll be a good one. All the way from Denver, Colorado, Rob's Cuss. All right, guys, we got the headliner. We're gonna start working on the headliner. I got both sunroofs installed, the brackets welded in, but I still need to do my grinding on the welds. Both sunroofs are in. Like I said, I gotta grind these welds off and then make them flat, and then I can start my body work on the roof. Before I do that, I'm gonna stick the headliner in here, cut it out, so that way when I'm doing the body work and drying, I can work on the headliner and get them done faster. Alright, guys, little update. Alright, guys, we got body work done. I'm gonna install the sunroofs now so I can wrap the headliner and then start putting everything back together. Let's check it out. Body work's done. Double sunroofs. Install's done. Came out badass, black suede. I always like the black suede when they install it on the trucks. It looks real good. Looks a little bit more classy than just a regular black. Truck came out badass. Double sunroofs all the way from Denver, Colorado at Rob's Customs. Let's check it out. Alright, guys, another one done. Rob's Customs, all the way from Denver, Colorado. They keep coming back. Crew cab, cat eyes, double sunroofs, black suede headliner.